Alright, here's a quick shot on how to replace your batteries. This is for an aftermarket car starter, and it's got a Phillips head screw in the back. Actually, it had two, but one's missing. So, take out the screw, alright, and if you do that, don't lose it, and it'll open right up. And there's your battery inside, and your guts is flat. Alright. Alright, make sure everything goes back in the way it's supposed to. Everything lines up so when you plug it back together, it snaps in. Alright, put your screws back in. And we're back in business. Alright, number 2. This is a key that has everything integrated, alright? Up here in the corner, see a little spot right here? That's where you're going to pry it open. So, there's a flat screwdriver. Pry it open. Still a little tight. There we go. Alright, now your guts will come out. Okay, so now you got this piece, little tabs. You pry them, and it opens up your batteries inside. Put it back together. You're done. Just snaps back together. Make sure all your buttons work. Okay, that one's good. Last one, this is a key fob. Another Subaru one, but pretty standard. Same thing. Right in here, I know it's blurry, but that's where your screwdriver would go in. Pop it open, there's your battery. Change out your battery, and just press it back together. Well done.